clean.
You didn't even wash them.
I just touched myself, so let's go. I've been playing Ryan's butthole.
Okay.
This is Cooking in the Ghetto. We are presenting how much temperature affects cooking time. We are West Siders, as you all know.
I'm an East Sider.
Alright, so here we have our cake mix.
Cake mix.
And
we are using Moist Deluxe Devil's Food.
Yep. This is our cake mix, and we're going to mix it.
This is our
with half cup of olive oil.
This is our smiley face eggs.
Vegetable oil.
And then we have 1.5 cups of water.
Did you wait? Okay, wait. No, we didn't get that out.
And now put the eggs in. Right.
Eggs.
3.
3 eggs.
Now. Where are your pans? Alright, so first we're going to cook it at 350 degrees. See how long it takes for the cupcakes to completely cook.
Okay, if you spill it on the tin, you just a second chance.
Ryan, are you heating both ovens at different temperatures?
Nope, we're heating one.
I thought you're testing temperature.
Don't worry about it, Mom.
Okay.
I know, it's fine.
And
we might use 2, just calm it down.
If you're going to use the big one, it just takes a while to heat the temperature.
Yeah. We're cooking at, round 1 is 350 degrees. Jared, if you burn yourself.
What the hell, man? Convection is where the pan heats up the air. Convection is where the air heats up the pan. And the pan heats up the cupcakes.
Oh boy.
Because they're touching.
Because they're touching.
Chocolate chips. There's a fish. We're cooking with chocolate chips. They induce a phase change. The chips go from solid, and then you put them in and they get heated and baked and they turn to liquid. But then when you pull them back out, they turn into solids after they cool. So that's what we call a phase change. A phase change.
There's
You better get in the video.
There's chemical changes that happen while the cupcakes are cooking.
Black dude.
And before the cupcakes cook, they're not actually like technically cupcakes. The cupcake dough is not really a cupcake, but when it's heated in the oven, a chemical reaction occurs and new bonds are formed. How does this heat change things? When it comes to heat changing a chemical reaction, there are 2 types. One is exothermic, obviously, a reaction that produces heat, and the other is endothermic, a reaction that takes heat in. When you make a cake, you are producing an endothermic chemical reaction, which changes batter to baked.
Calm down, dude.
Ow! It's for you, Miss Noble. I love you. This is the first batch, cooked at 350 degrees.
For 10 minutes.
Cooked for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
We expected it to be 12.
Toothpick test.
Looking at 10, it was good.
Toothpick tests.
Take it out, and it's good.
Nothing comes out clean and nothing comes off. It's good. So we are good
now.
So now we're gonna cook it for 8 minutes at 400 degrees.
You can do it, dude.
No, Maurice.
No, Jared wants to do it. He does it right. Piece of shit.
Jared, you suck.
Jared, come on, dude.
Come on, Jared. Jared.
Jared.
There we go.
We are testing the temperature of these 3 cupcakes for 8 minutes at 400 degrees. In the oven they go.
This is a shout-out video.
Shout out to my boy Grubster. Shout out to Miss Noble. I love you.
Of course.
We've already.
Shout out to Ryan's mom. She's a homie.
I'm gonna laugh one day when you get in a car accident.
How Jewish do I look? Tell me. So, we are now taking out the cupcakes from the 400 degree batch that we did, cooked them for 8 minutes, and we are about to see if they're done or not. And they are cooked.
We're now doing 3 cupcakes for 450 degrees at 6 minutes.
We're now doing 4 cupcakes.
Shut the hell up.
Flaccid 10. So this is the batch that we cooked at 450 for 6 minutes. Let's see if it's done. And it is. So after we were done with all of our experiments, our hypothesis was correct. it cooks faster if it's at a higher temperature.
Yeah, and
this is cooking in the ghetto, and that's all, folks.
You know what's cool.